Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 52 and I have collected all these vocabulary, statistics and figures from Dawn newspaper. So now I will start from a quotation. If you are feeling good, it is because you are thinking good thoughts. And this quotation was given by Rhonda Byron. Rhonda Byron is a famous writer and motivational speaker. He has done tremendous job is for positive thinking, motivation, emotions, feelings. So actually they have worked on such topics. Now I will discuss some vocabulary. So all these vocabulary are important for CSS, presse and composition paper, because the presse and composition paper consists of 20 MCQs. MCQs basically 10 synonyms and 10 antonyms. So if someone has a command on vocabulary, so definitely he will choose the right option at the exam. These vocabulary are also very important for the decoding of uh, presse part of the presse and composition paper. Even strong vocabulary, strong foundation of vocabulary is also very fruitful uh, for translation in presse paper. So I think all these vocabulary has helped me a lot in all my competitive examinations. So the first one is corroborated. So verify, confirm, validate, support. So next one, reside. So it's meaning to return to a prior position. वापस लेना, पीछे हट जाना. Acquitted or acquittal, absolve, clear, to decide someone not guilty of crime. Next one, ushered. So to direct, to guide, or to steer. Next one, purportedly. So it's having two meaning, supposedly or allegedly. मुबैना तौर पर. Next one, ignominious. So the meaning of ignominious is something which is causing disgrace or shame. Zillat amaz. Next one, credential. So quality, skill or experience that make a person suited to do a particular job. Next one, embezzling or embezzlement. So to steal money that you have been trusted with. Aban. Next one, disbursed. So to pay out money from a fund that has been created for a special purpose. Uh, Most of the time in budget we say that the disbursement of fund for PSDP. Veracity. So veracity in US actually called to a university. In British it is university, while in US it is veracity or varsity. So university, a team representing college or university. Next one, detrimental. So something which causing damage or injury. Nuksandeh, muhlik. Obituary. So an article in newspaper about the life of someone who has died recently. Most of the time in Dawn newspaper, obituaries are published about famous personalities. Next one, uh, intents. So the meaning of intents is an aim or purpose. Next one, asymmetric. So not symmetrical, not similar, not identical, not uniform. Next one, warfare. So war, strife, disunity, discord, jung. Next one, egalitarian. So its meaning is aiming for equal wealth status for all people. Masawi, equity. Next one, fakir. The meaning of fakir is false. Next one, erstwhile. So something which is in the past. Pehle, previous, amounting, to send out, to give out, to spread out. Next one, fugitive, so running away to avoid being captured. Next one, reciprocate, badla, to give and take mutually. And MQM, a party which was launched by Iltaf Hussain in Karachi University. Uh, he started from the very basic and it was launched in 1984. Next one, in Afghanistan, 65% of funding of militants came from narcotics. Next one, insanity. Insanity is something that is very foolish or dumb idea. Next one, molested. So to bother or annoy or to done damage to someone. Next one, retrogressive. So the meaning of retrogressive is causing a return to an earlier, usually worse state. So to come back from better to worse state. Next one, retrograde. So retrograde basically physical movement. So returning to a worse state or moving backward. But in retrograde there is involvement of physical moment. And the last one is coffin. So a box in which dead person is buried. So it's all for today. If you people have any questions, so ask freely and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you, and may the blessing of God never cease upon you.